Dear brothers and sisters, there are three types of Hajj: Hajj Ifrat, Hajj Tamattu, Hajj Qiran. Thanks to Allah that you are going for Hajj, and you should decide which Hajj you would like to perform. In Hajj Ifrat, you are going to make the niyyah for only Hajj. In Hajj Ifrat, there is no Umrah and there is no Qurbani, there is no slaughter of animal. In Hajj Tamattu, you will be doing the Umrah first. You will be cutting your ihram, you are cutting your hair and you are removing the ihram. And on 8th of Dhul Hijjah, you are going to put the Hajj ihram again, and then you will do the Hajj Qurbani and the slaughtering of the animal. In Hajj Qiran, you will be combining the Umrah and Hajj together in one ihram. Once you have done the Umrah, you are not going to cut your hair. Remember that. If you're doing Hajj Qiran, you are not going to cut your hair after doing your Umrah. You will stay in ihram, you complete your Hajj, and you do the Hajj Qurbani. So, this is the way it is done. Dear brothers and sisters, remember that. In Hajj Ifrat, there is no Hajj Qurbani. There is no slaughtering of the animal. But the normal Qurbani, the normal slaughtering that you do every year, that is still due on you, which can be done anywhere in the world, back your home. Now, let me summarize this thing for you again. If you're doing Hajj Ifrat, there are two tawaf. Which are those? Tawaful Hajj and Tawaful Wida. There is only one Sahih. Which one? Hajj Sahih. If you're doing Hajj Qiran, you have three tawaf. Which are those? Umrah Tawaf, Tawaful Hajj, and Tawaful Wida. And there are two Sahih. Umrah Sahih and Hajj Sahih. These two Sahih can be combined. When you're doing the Umrah Sahih, you can make the intention that, oh Allah, this Sahih, I'm making it for Umrah and Hajj. So with one Sahih, you can do the Hajj Qiran. In Hajj Tamattu, you have three tawaf. Tawaful Umrah, Tawaful Hajj, Tawaful Wida. And you have two Sahih. Umrah Sahih and Hajj Sahih. You cannot combine here two Sahih, because after doing Umrah Sahih, you will be cutting your hair and you will be removing the ihram. So therefore, you cannot combine. However, if you want to do the Hajj Sahih before Hajj, you can do one Nafil Tawaf, and then you can do the Hajj Sahih in advance before the Hajj. Dear brothers and sisters, remember, Hajj Ifrat, two Tawaf, one Sahih. Hajj Qiran, three Tawaf, two Sahih, or could be one Sahih. Hajj Tamattu, three Tawaf and two Sahih. May Allah make your Hajj easy and accept it. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك